Let me change your goals. Open, open. Open big, big, big.
On my mouth.
Yeah. Were you opening your eyes? Is that what you hear? There you go.
Hey Nick, how you doing?
Good.
How you feel?
I feel wonderful.
Can you open? Okay, bite down.
Oh, you looking good.
Yeah. Did talk that. Oh, he's gonna dance. His finger. Oh, he's gonna love that.
Sometimes the bully's in me.
The boogie.
The bully.
The boogie.
Hey, you're messing up your gauze.
Oh, it's okay.
It's
It's easy.
Here's the thing. You try to let the bully out sometimes.
Nick.
Okay.
You stick that in there.
Okay. Okay, you need to bite down. Just bite down on that.
I don't know what you fingers.
You didn't. I know how to get them out quick.
Okay, just
It's too funny.
bite down, Nick. No.
That is so hysterical. Is this out of character for him?